Friday, and we're going good. Look at that. Looks awesome. Don't squat with that yet, though. I hate sanding that fiberglass jelly. I have to pick up some more sandpaper for that. This one's golden, so I gotta do some grinding. But the big part, besides the floor being all done now, is the firewall's done. Lots of pieces coming together. It is done. So, oh, and I also have that, I'm gonna say glued on, but yeah. So the next step, of course, bolting all that crap back on. But it's Friday. I'm tired. I'm going home. And I'm gonna watch Friday, because now it just popped in my head talking about Friday. But yeah. All good. It took most of the day. Been sanding these cab corners and body filling for the past 2 days. I said I ain't messed with that yet. I'm gonna get some good 80 grit paper tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, but Monday. Knock that out. Make the 2 last patches for there in that corner where the hammer's at. Grind down the doors. Put some filler on them. Grind these down. Put a tad bit of filler on that. Start bolting on the front end, which has another couple of weeks worth of body work to do, I'm telling you. Oh, I'm pretty sure I've showed it already, but reminder, death. Cracked in half, literally. Death, more death. Bucket's got to be dropped down for the headlight. Death. It's actually got to be bent back out. Pulled that metal strap off and probably welded together. Death. And yeah, a lot more stuff to do. Oh, a hole over there. Alright. But we're finally at the stage where now the cab is completely on and done. Put the front end on. Start doing body work to this. Metal work, actually, fabrication work. Then have it completely on. And then start running wiring after all the body work, metal work. And then the bed, which is outside. It has to be done. The tailgate has to be fixed. Yeah. I am done. It is Friday. I am done. I am tired. I am Weasel. Let's get out of here. So it's been pretty productive today. I have the steering column on. The pedals are back in. They're bolted on and everything. I'll show you the other side here in a second. The front end I have sitting on right now. But I dig this front end. Check that thing out. Again, there's still metalwork. What else? Cracked right there, metalwork. I mean, there's still a lot of metalwork to do, but it helps to have it on, you know, bolted up and ready to do all the metalwork once it's already on. It's a tongue twister there. Brakes. Hook back up, clutch is in, master cylinder, whatever, slave cylinder, whatever, it's hooked back up. I did have to modify the brakes, how they ran and everything, so that way it didn't lean over onto here and get in the way of the hood or anything like that. There's just a bracket on there, pulled it off, threw it in the garbage, moved them over and everything like that. Easy peasy. It's gonna be tough to get a fan in there. But yeah, here's the pedals. This is a 5-speed again. I have this, I'm gonna have to cut down the steering shaft because it is like 4 inches too long. But yep. She coming along. Well, put in some good time today, and I have the front end completely mounted now. Bolted up and everything on back there. We weld them to the frames here. Most people don't ever take these things back off or anything, so the one thing I'm thinking is going to be an issue is the radiator. Now, not only do we have to put a radiator in there, but we also have to put a AC condenser in there. And it really it's bigger than the latches for the hood, which are here and here. So it makes it like through here, which you're only going to give us, I mean, it might fit, it just might be wicked close. If not, worst thing happens is you knock this off and you put an electric fan on it, you're good to go still. Just going to have to mount the radiator further in than I really wanted to. I really do like this front end. As I was saying, this front end would be awesome on a delivery vehicle or a bus, because I like the delivery vehicles and the older buses and things are awesome. Now, when I first put this on, I was having problems because where this is hard mounted, there's no problem, but where this back here is just flopping in the wind. Let me go back here and show you. Right here, when you go to put the hood on, the back latch won't catch, and it's just because there's nothing there to support it. So I'm gonna have to support all this to keep it where it's at. I already had the hood on and everything. It fits good. What I did is I took the back end of a sledgehammer and shoved it through the wheel well this way and hit it up and pushed down on the hood to get it to latch. So once it all latched and you can get everything straight, the height right and everything, that's when you do your welding. You saw that. That's where it blew through a little bit. This old rotted metal. Blow through city. So, yeah. We're moving forward quick and fast now. So, tomorrow I need to try to get these welded not welded, maybe braced to the firewall or welded, one or the other. I don't know which yet. On both sides, so the hinges don't fall down anymore when you put the hood on. Then from that point, after I have them made, I am going to go back to doing, I don't even want to say it, metal work again. All this crap, done showed it 50 times. It's all got to be fixed. I just put a real downer on tomorrow, but anyway, as you can see, it's coming along good. Now, as far as I know, we're going to be mounting the battery probably above the engine back here somewhere. I don't like doing that for one simple fact. I don't like the way it looks. It works, you can do it, it don't make a difference. I just don't like the way it looks. But we do it. Space on this is going to be a little tight because we still have to put the ECM, PCM, BCM, whatever you want to call it, on here somewhere. Then we still have to put on, what else? There's a bunch of stuff. Oh, the fuse block, the AC canister and everything's got to get made. The line's got to be ran, and they can't interfere with the hood latch or you'll never get the hood open. Good thing is this motor don't have smog on it. So yeah, then the radiator, AC condenser. We still got to fix that stupid plug. That stupid plug has got to be fixed before I want to put the bed on or anything, because if this thing, let's say you do start it but the fuel pump's bad, I don't want to have to take bed floor back off or anything. No. We are basically considering just cutting this off, getting the same plug with the same wires, and then soldering each wire, shrink wrapping them, blah blah blah. Or if nobody will sell us that plug and let us cut it off a harness, might be replacing a whole harness on this. It sucks. Yeah, but there's still a bunch of grounds that's got to be hooked up, everything. That's all later. Metal work comes tomorrow. The good thing is now that this is mounted, when I cut something off, I don't have to worry about it falling off or anything like that. But yeah, she cool, she going. We're getting there now.